This one truth can change your life after 60. Your legs don't get weak because of age. They get weak because the muscles that support your hips, knees, and ankles slowly shut down from lack of use. But here's the good news: even at 60, 70, or 80, you can reactivate those muscles with a few simple daily movements. And today, I'll show you 4 completely new exercises that older adults across the USA use to stay strong, steady, and confidently walking at any age. Exercise 1. Seated knee extensions. Sit on a chair with your back straight. Lift one leg forward until it becomes fully straight. Hold for 1 second, then lower it slowly. Do 12 reps on each leg. This exercise strengthens the knee joint, improves walking power, and reduces stiffness that makes movement painful. Exercise 2. Ankle circles. Stay seated or stand while holding support. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Rotate your ankle in a full circle, 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise. Repeat on the other leg. This improves ankle mobility, balance, and helps prevent missteps and falls. Exercise 3. Hip bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips upward until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly. Do 10 to 12 reps. This exercise strengthens the hips, hamstrings, and lower back, the main muscles needed for standing and climbing stairs. Exercise 4. Step back lunges. Senior friendly. Stand behind a chair and hold it for support. Step one leg back gently, bend the front knee slightly, and return to standing. Do 8 to 10 reps per side. This builds leg stability, improves balance, and trains your legs to stay strong during everyday movements. Do these 4 exercises daily, and you'll feel your legs getting stronger, your balance improving, and your confidence returning, no matter your age.